Very good afternoon and welcome to one and all for our online series lecture. I hope you all are taking care of yourself and are safe and safely staying at home. So we'll be starting with the new subtopic. Already I've started with this, that is mathematical logic. And in logic table we have seen many of the concepts, but still we were working with the truth table. So truth table में already I have taken the sums based on two variables. Now we are again there ahead for our next sub part, that is three variables, where the three conceptual parts, that is three variables, are going to interrelate with each other. So going ahead with the three sub variables, and before going ahead with the three sub variables, I would just like to say that key will be clearing or following the same table. Logic will not going to change out. Only the values for P, Q, and third variable will be R. As we already saw that key two variables we have, first one is P, second one I have, that is Q, and now third variable will be having, that is R. Okay, तो यही concept लेके हम आगे जाने वाले हैं and we are going to solve the sum based on this. So connectivity just says that ki and, this is a symbol for and, it is known as in conjunction, or that is opposite we will be having this way. So this is for the or, this conjunctions over here. This sign implicates that is negation. Negation will be somewhat like this. Will be just putting a slanting S, and or, that is one way arrow. If and only if will be at the both the side arrow, that is from starting arrow until the end arrow. Or we can say this as in biconditional also. This would be the first part. Secondly, tabular values, what we saw, that will be there again same, that is I'll be substituting with the same values. I am having conjunction, that is true conjunction will be true, true conjunctions, false will be false, false true will be true, false true will be false, and false false will be false. So this is conjunction, basically it just means that is k and we are using over here. Now going with the disconjunctions value, that is or. तो और के लिए हम लोगों के पास सेम फोर वेरिएबल्स हैं, तो टू वेरिएबल्स है तो हम लोगों के पास फोर वैल्यूज विल बी देयर, दैट इज 2t and 2f, and q के लिए I'll be having tf, and again I'll be having the tf over here. So disconjunction I'm doing p और q, so p और q में क्या क्या आ जाएगा, हम लोग के पास tt is t, tf is f, ft is t, and ff is f. So this is what we does out. Actually, we have taken the sums based on this, so I don't think you people have many of the doubts, but we'll be repeating once, and then only we'll be going ahead for the next sub part. So after this transactions, I'll be going with the next sub part, that is a third sub part, that is negation. So what is the negation basically says that? The negation, it says that ki a negative is taken as in positive and positive is taken as in negative. So I'll be just converting the negative values to the positive and positive value to the negative. That is, I'm taking truth value as in false and false value will be the true. Okay. So we'll be seeing in a tabular form. As I've told you that I'm taking opposite values. Okay. So same only I'm doing over here. True को मैंने false कर दिया है and false क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास true. So this is what the negation says over. Next up part over here is conditional statement. Conditional statement means if. Okay, so if statement, that is a conditional, it comes out ki this is identified by one way arrow. So if I have tt, it is t, tf will be f, ft will be t, and ff it is tree. So this is somewhat which we study, that is conditional table part, and that only we are going to see over here. तो सेम कंडीशनल टेबल या जो वैल्यूज हम यूज करते हैं वही हम लोग वैल्यूज को आगे फॉरवर्ड करके लेके जाने वाले हैं, और वही हम लोग के लिए वो यूजफुल हो जाएगा. ओके, so nextly I'll be going with the biconditional, that is double implication. तो डबल implication में आ जाएगा हम लोग के पास true, true is true, then true, false is false, then I have that is false, true is false, and false, false it is true.
So these are some of the values which we used out or the transactions takes place during a transformation of truth value. Coming towards the sum, already we have taken the concepts based on this, that is truth table with the two variables. बेसिकली वी हैव टू वेरिएबल एज वेल एज थ्री वेरिएबल, पर मैंने यहाँ पे टू वेरिएबल ही लिया है, तो टू वेरिएबल का है हमारे पास दैट इज पी एंड क्यू। तो पी का वैल्यू हम लोग कैसे लेते हैं, यस टी टी एफ एफ, एंड क्यू का वैल्यू हम लोग कैसे लेते हैं, टी एफ टी एफ। सी दिस इज confirmed concept, you cannot change according to yourself. This is a logically and mathematically used out. We cannot change according to our requirements कि बाबा मुझे ऐसी चीज मैं यही लूंगी या वैसी चीज वैसे नहीं, जो है हमको वही लेना है। मतलब यहाँ पे ट्रू 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 ले लेंगे हम लोग, और यहाँ पे हम लोग ले लेंगे दैट इज ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, यही लेना है। ओके, so we just need to say that negation p and q and negation p or negation p. So I just want to show that both are equal. Okay, so I'll be going with this. Actually, and ka sign I'll just put it over there. The negation p, so I'll be going with the negation p, negation q here. So we'll be going with the negation q. Okay, so negation t is f, t ka is f, f ka negation is t, and f ka negation is t. T ka again negation is f, f ka negation is t, t ka negation is f, f ka negation is t. Now nextly we have that is t and q. So T and Q will be having TT is T, TF is F, FT is F, FF is F. Okay. Now this negation P and Q I am taking in a negate way. Negate मतलब उसको मैंने negation में convert करके ले लिया. Okay. So negation में convert करके ले लिया तो मेरे पास क्या हो जाएगा, T का negation is F, F का negation is T, again F का negation is T, and F का negation is T. Okay, now I'll be going with the second sub part, that is last sub part, to prove the table. Now just I want to prove the values, that is key we need to get the last sub column which we want out. Okay, so what value we want over here, that will be substituting for our final step. So final step में क्या है हमारे पास, negation P और negation Q. What I want is that negation P or negation Q. So now I'll be getting the value for negation P or negation Q. ओके, तो हम लोग के पास जो वैल्यू मिला है वो हम लोग पुट डाउन करेंगे। तो नेगेशन P और नेगेशन Q, ये जो वैल्यू है हम लोग के पास नेगेशन P नेगेशन Q, दैट विल बी टेकिंग विद और। तो FF is F, FT is T, TF is T, and TT is T. Okay, so this is somewhat what we do with our two variable. Okay, now I would like to start today with the new sub concept, that is new sub concept हम लोगों के पास आ जाएगा with the three variables. तो थ्री वेरिएबल्स हम लोगों ने कैसे करने हैं कि हम लोग उसको थ्री वेरिएबल्स को वेरिएबल में पुट डाउन करना स्टार्टअप करें। तो अभी इसमें पुट डाउन करना स्टार्टअप किया, तो आई विल बी गोइंग अहेड विद द फर्स्ट सब पार्ट. तो फर्स्ट सब पार्ट वी हैव दैट इज पी क्यू आर. अभी यहाँ पे तीन कंसेप्ट हमारे पास आ जाएंगे, तो हम लोग पी क्यू आर से डील करना स्टार्टअप करेंगे. तो दिस विल आई एक्सप्लेन, आई जस्ट शो यू द कंसेप्ट देन वी विल गो इट. ओके, पी क्यू आर अभी यहाँ पे कैसे है, बिफोर गोइंग अहेड विद द सम आई जस्ट क्लियर वन ऑफ द कंसेप्ट देन विल गो. ओके, कभी भी हम लोग के पास अगर तीन वेरिएबल है तो तीन वेरिएबल के लिए आप लोगों को क्या करना है, will be taking the value, that is P में first 4 will be T and next 4 will be 8 values रहते हैं, हमेशा याद रखना. इसमें 4 इसमें 8 डबल. I'll repeat again, P में first 4 will be T, P में and second 4 will be F. And Q में क्या हो जाता है, first 2 true, next 2 false, again 2 true, and again it will be false. Okay, then R. R के rate is true, false, true, false, true, false, and true and false. In this way, you are going to take value for P and Q. आई रिपीट अगेन, टी के लिए हम लोग फर्स्ट फॉर फॉल्स, नेक्स्ट फॉर फर्स्ट फॉर ट्रू, नेक्स्ट फॉर फॉल्स, देन टी टीज, एफ एफ, टी टी, एफ एफ, आर के लिए टी एफ, टी एफ, सबके लिए. ओके, आई थिंक नाउ इट इज क्लियर what I want to explain, that you people have understood. Okay, now what we'll do it is that we will be going with the negation Q. So negation Q is this. I'll be going with this negation. तो negation Q मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा अभी यहाँ पे, T का it is F, T का negation is F, F का negation is T, F का negation is T, T का negation is F, F का negation is T, F का negation is T. Got it? Next, P and R. So this is my P. इट इज एक्चुअली वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बट अभी ऑप्शन नहीं है तो हम लोग ऐसे ही करेंगे. पी एंड आर, एक कॉलम को ना कवर अप करके लेने का, इसलिए मैंने ना अलग अलग कलर यूज करके बताया कि आपको समझ में आ जाए. सो पी एंड आर, टी टी इज टी, टी एफ इज एफ, टी टी अगेन इज टी, टी एफ विल बी एफ, टी टी इज एफ, एफ एफ एफ, एफ टी एफ, एफ एफ एफ. सी मतलब आपको अगर टेबल इजीली पता है ना तो इजीली कर सकते हैं, इसमें कुछ इश्यूज नहीं आएंगे, बट टेबल नहीं पता रहेगा तो यू पीपल आर सपोज टू वर्क. ओके, then going with the next part, P or negation Q. So this is my P. I'll change my pen. I'll go with red color. Yes. So P and negation Q. So ये आ गया P, ये मेरे पास है negation Q. अब P और Q को negation को मैं लेके जाऊंगी मेरे यहाँ पे. Clear? What I want over here. So P and negation Q. Now I'll be substituting that as K, P or negation Q. So T, F is T. T, F will be T. Again T, T is T. Okay, same we will be doing for all. After getting this, what we will do it, ये जो हम लोगों के पास कॉलम मिला है, ओके, तो कौन सा कॉलम मिला है, दिस कॉलम, P and R along with P और negation Q, उसको हम लोग एक साथ implication में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो T implication T is T, F implication T is T, T implication T is T, F implication T is T, F implication is F, F implication is F, F implication T is T, and again F implication T is F. Correct? Yes. I hope the concept now it will be more clear, because this concept shows us that simply we have done a very good concepts and things which we want out. Okay. Now coming towards the next part, similar way में हम लोगों के पास एक और सम हम लोग ले लेंगे, that is P implication Q and P implication R. तो P implication Q, P implication R we already have out. तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया, यहाँ पे P ले लिया, मैंने यहाँ पे Q भी ले लिया. Okay, I have taken the R also, and what values we need to take already समझा के I have just explained already, so no need to repeat that values. Okay. So I'll be going with the P implication Q. So I'll be just explaining that T is T. See, P implication Q. Huh? This is P and this is Q for me. I'm just going with the implication section, that is this concept, this column. Okay. So TT will be T, TT again T, TF is F, TF is F, FT implication is F, FT implication is F, FF is T, and again FF will be T. So this is a concept how we get the values for S. Okay, now P implication R. So what I want to do is this, I want to find P implication R. Okay, so I'll be getting the P implication R. मेरे पास P है यहाँ पे. I'll just change the marker क्योंकि सेम वैल्यू समझ में नहीं आएगी. तो ये हमारा हो गया P. Okay, and this is the R. और इसको हम लोग इम्प्लीकेट करने वाले हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वैल्यू के साथ, दैट इज P implication R. ओके, नाउ P implication Q और P implication R को एंड करेंगे. तो ये P implication R किया, दैट इज T, T is T, T F is F, T T is T, T F is F, F T is T, F F is T, FT is T and FF is T. Okay. Then I'll be going with the last sub part, that is last sub column, that is F implication Q, P implication R. So दोनों का implication हम लोग को AND में convert करके लेना है. Okay. So TT is T, TF is F, FT is F over here, FF is F, TT is T, TT is T, TT is T, and TT is T. Okay. This what we got over here. This is our logical table, mathematical logical table with the 3 values. Now here some of the thing next up part we have similar way में कि हम लोगों को कुछ prove करके लेना है. अभी prove करके लेना है मतलब हम लोगों को उसका truth values बताना है. Truth values बताना है means what? कि I just to identify कि कौन सा उसका value है और कैसे है. I'll be just putting over here that is P or P and R equals to P or Q and P or Q. Okay. Actually P or Q, P or R it is. Okay. So I'll be just putting P, Q and R as you all know how to do it. So I'll be going with the first sub part P and R. So I am finding this P, I am taking this R and I am converting this to the third sub part, that is this. Okay. So TT is T, TF is F, FT is F, TT is T, FT is F, FT is F, FF is F. Correct. Okay. Now P along with the P, Q and R. Okay. So I need to do OR with this, that is disjunctions. Okay. So what will happen? We'll just convert the brackets over here. So T is T, TF is T, TF is T, TF is T, FT is T, FF is F, FF is F, FF is F. Okay. Next. P and Q. So I'll be taking this one. P और Q को मैं एक साथ ले लूँगी. So I'll just take from here. बहुत messy हो गया है वहाँ पे. So this is P and this is Q with us. So I've taken P and Q. P Q को साथ में लिया और हम लोग इसमें क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे and कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ये हो गया हम लोग के पास P और Q. ओके तो कन्वर्ट करो चलो. T is T, TT is T, TF is T, TF is T, FT is T, FT is T, FFF and again it will be FF will F. Okay. Now we'll be going with P and R. So same way I'm going to substitute with R. So P and R. So we'll be having this as an P. This will be having as an R और इसको हम substitute करेंगे, that is we'll be getting our next sub column. This is this. Okay. So now start converting again. So T is T over here. TT again is T. TF is T. TF is T. FT is T. FT is F. FF is T. And FF is F. So that's what we got the value over here. Next subpart I am converting is this key last final answer. तो फाइनल आंसर के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे अगेन P और Q, P और R going with the AND, that is this construction. Okay. So TT is basically T, TT again T, TT again T, TT again T, TT again T, and now here TF क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास? Yes, come on, you can say that. If you are depending on me, then how it's possible? You have to try by yourself also. So TF is T, FT is F, FF is F. This is exactly what we did out and we got the value for our equation. I have verified that. How I verified that? कि 2 columns, that is 5th column and the 8th column. So 4, 5th. अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये जो हमारा 5th column है और ये 8th column, इसका देखो वैल्यू सेम आ रहा है तो वो इक्वल है, और नहीं आया तो इट इज नॉट इक्वल. So I am getting equal, then it is same. Okay. Both these columns are same to us. So we are getting the same one. Okay. Turning towards the last sub part, next sub question, which is most important and it's covering maximum parts. Okay, so maximum parts cover हो रहा है तो हम लोग इसमें ये करेंगे कि वर्कआउट करेंगे, that is negation R, implication negation R, implication negation negation R, implication negation P and Q is equals to negation Q implication R close bracket implication negation Q. बहुत ज़्यादा है ना, हाँ करेक्ट. So I'll just put down the value PQR जैसे हम लोग करते हैं वैसे ही, no change in this. Okay, find the negation first one, that is negation P find out किया हम लोगों ने. I'll not explain how because already explain करके हो गया, वापस वही का वही नहीं लेंगे हम. यहाँ पे हम लोग के पास negation R आ जाएगा. Okay. Next, secondly, I need to find out P and Q. So I'll be going with P and this is Q. So P and Q I'll be getting over here as this is P and Q. Okay, so P and Q ka value same. I will just explain. True is true. True again true. True false is false. True false is false. False true is false. False true is false. False and false is false. Simple. No interpretation or something different कुछ भी नहीं. Easy है, very easy है. Okay. फिर मैंने इसको कन्वर्ट किया निगेशन में, अपोजिट. ओके, सिंपल. सिंपली क्या आ जाएगा, टी एफ इज एफ, टी इज एफ, एफ इज टी, एफ इज टी, एफ इज टी, एफ 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 जी इज देयर, एफ से क्या हो जाएगा हमारा ट्रू. करेक्ट, सिंपल. नाउ कमिंग टुवर्ड्स अगेन कम नेक्स्ट पार्ट, आर and R implication negation P and Q. This we need to get out. अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग इसको implication ले लेंगे. ओके, सो ये मेरे पास implication part आएगा. तो F is tree, then T F is F, F T is T, T T is T, F T is T, T T is T, F T is T, T T is T. Okay. Nextly, I'll coming with T implication R, Q implication R. So I'll be again changing my pen over here. I'm taking Q. Okay, I'm taking R. Okay, इन दोनों को यहाँ से उठाया, इन दोनों को एक साथ लिया और I'm rushing till the 9th column, that is Q implication R. Rush out करना start करो. अभी formula में put down करो. Simple. बड़ा दिख रहा है but है नहीं, it is very easy. So TT is T over here, TF is F, FT is T, FF is T, TT is T, TF is F, TF is T, FF is T. Simple, no change in this. Easily it is understandable by you also. The concept is very simple and you are going to enjoy this. अगर समझ के किया तो बहुत अच्छे से enjoy करोगे. Next part, go with the negation of this. So I'm just going with the negation. T का negation F, F का negation T, T का negation F, F का negation T, F का negation T का negation F, F का T, T का F, T का F. That's it. What we want, we did out. Next, what I need to do is negation this PQ will go with P, negation P. So हम लोग सीधा negation P को पकड़ेंगे. ओके, वापस I'll just turn my train over here. So हम लोग negation P यहाँ पे है, इसको पिक करेंगे यहाँ से और ड्रॉप डाउन करेंगे 2 मिनट के लिए. हम लोग negation Q and implication R and will be getting implication with this. Now start converting. F is T, then F, P is F, F is T, F is T, F is T, F is T, TF is T and TF is T. So I got this as a value for my solution. Correct. So this here I can explain that my values are one and the same. That is not changing. Which values are same? My column is 8 and 11. Okay, it identifies that LHS equals to RHS. This values are equal, even this values are equal. तो ये जो हम लोग का कॉलम नंबर है, मतलब हम लोग का प्रूफ कौन सा करता है, 8th कॉलम is equal to my 11th column. What I need to explain, what I explain. Okay. This concept is very simple, and once if you understand a student, you are going to enjoy it. Enjoy it means it is very simple and very easy to get out the things, and easily you can do it. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed this, and you are going to solve the sums. If you have any doubts, you people can ask me. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay blessed. Take care. Goodbye.